Minista wa mathako Ambassador Amina Mohamed Umuthi ni acereire timu ira irarugamirira bururi macindano-ini ma thi na maria marathie na mbere guku bururi-ini wa Qatar umuthi makiingira thiko ya gatatu. Icera-ini riake umuthi Amina nioigite ati ari na umiriru na timu ino akiuga mutugo a Kenya ni mekumatha ngoga ingi cia thahabu kuona muthenya wa gatano ni mahinguriirwo njira ihenya-ini ria thabari ndaya ni Rotich.
Well, let me just say that I'm extremely happy to be here with our athletes, with the president of Athletics Kenya, with the team leader of this team of athletes that are here. As you know, we got the first gold at this championship. As you heard, I think from my colleagues, the anthem that was sung first was the Kenyan anthem. The flag that was raised first was ours, and I think that gives us a lot of hope.
Oho Amina nioritie atongoria matiganite ruhonge-ini rwa Mahenya guthoma kumana na ngucanio ici niguo gukamahotithia kwihariria wega mbere ya macindano ma mbeu njithi mwaka twerekeire. Miario iria inyitirwo mbaru ni president wa kiama kia Mahenya guku bururi-ini niwe Jackson Tuwei.
We will do everything possible to see that we make sure that the event is properly prepared. We all organize ourselves now that everybody knows exactly what to do, and you can always call even your counterpart to compare notes.
Maya makihanikaga itua ria kana mutengeri Helen Obiri uria ni njorua ya mwaka wa 2017 ihenya-ini ria mita 5,000 gukanyita itemi ihenya-ini ria mita 5,000 muthenya wa gatatu ritire riramenyekana na ni thutha wake kuhotwa muthenya wa ira ihenya-ini ria mita 10,000.
It was tough. During 3 laps to go, the body was not moving at all. I was a bit struggling.
Umuthi atengeri Rotich murunawe Rotich Korir oro undu na Ngeno megukorwo makirika kiharo gwetha tigiti wa kuingira ikereka ria final thiini wa ihenya ria mita 800 mwena wa arume. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma guku kiharo-ini kia Halifa Stadium. Ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.